Are you looking to start your own podcast and you don't have enough budget? Guys, check out Anchor.fm. Anchor is used for recording, hosting, and distributing your own podcast. First of all, it's 100% free and it is very easy to use. All you need is to visit Google Play and download Anchor app, and you can start your own podcast. You can do this by the comfort of your home. All you need is a good content for your listeners, and you can record it easily to your mobile or PC. Guys, get started and have fun. Your story deserves a best platform, and Anchor is the best platform for it. Have a great day. Hi guys, this is Hadi. Welcome to my podcast. I hope you enjoyed my previous episode about why people are never satisfied with what they have. In this episode, we will see how time is much more important than money. In fact, time is much more valuable than money because you can use your time to make money, but you can't use the money to purchase your valuable time. The reality is, you can lose all your money and you can get it back, but you will never be able to get back the time that you have wasted. There are no chances for you to create more time. Time is the great equalizer. Each day has only 24 hours. Nobody has any more than anyone else. Everyone from artist to president fills those hours one after the other until they are all filled up. Every single minute is important and unique, and once goes can never be regained. When you look at someone who has accomplished a lot, you can be very sure that he or she has spent considerable amount of time mastering the required skills, filling hours upon hours with hard work. There are those who look at others' achievements and say, I had that or I could have done that. But ideas are cheap and intentions are just that. If you don't invest the time needed to achieve these goals, then all you have are empty ambitions. People often say, I don't have time to complete this work. I don't have time to do this or that. What makes these people to think that they have less time than anyone else? We all have the same 24 hours in each day and make real decisions without how we spend them. If you really want to get in shape, then carve out time to exercise. If you want to write a book, then pick up a pen and do it. And if you want to run for president, it isn't going to happen if you plan your day around your favorite TV shows or spend hours updating your Facebook page. These are entertaining distractions that eat up your irreplaceable time. Okay, why people who value time more than money are happier? Actually, money is deeply rooted in how we evolved. It continues to produce powerful effects on our behavior. We spend a great deal of time thinking about money. We talk about it, worry over it, stress over it, and wonder if we have enough to meet our immediate needs now and then in the future. Most of us never seem to have enough, and we are spending a good chunk of it earning money. But according to me, people who value time more than money are happier and are more productive in life. Let me ask you, what would you rather have? More time or more money? Most of the people around the world would say money. But the people who would said they prefer more time were generally happier in the world. Think about it. Money can come and go, but time only goes and it doesn't come back. Once lost, it's gone. That's all. It will not come back again. So now, no matter what the outcome of your efforts, we all feel so increasingly strapped for time, and often the things that we think will make us happy. How much is your time is worth? What price would you put on an experience that broadens the mind or brings you inner peace? There are two kinds of people, those with time first mindset and those with money first mindset. Many people fall in the second category. When faced with a time or money decision, most people will choose money. Why? It's more difficult to shift your mindset from money to time. If you have valued money more than time, shifting to a time mindset is really hard, especially when everything in your life depends on that income you make every month. It's very difficult to shift it. If you don't know how much your time is worth, it won't even cross your mind to value time more than money. How you use your time might be slightly more controlled than how much money you earn. With more time, you can plan to use it. How you value time is absolutely in your control. Assuming basic needs are met, more money will give you just that. More money. More time could lead to all kinds of amazing experiences and shifts that might mean more to you than money ever could. People who value their time are more likely to pursue their careers that they love. And when people love what they do, they are less negatively affected by the stress of work and are more likely to be productive, creative, and effective. Time, not money, is your greatest investment. Money helps you to strive to live your life, but it's time itself that gives you the greatest benefit. Make choices that gives you more time. The next time you are making a tough choice between having more time or having more money, think of your happiness, stress-free life, if you can, not just your wallet. Thank you and stay tuned for furthermore podcasts from Adit.